Hey guys, it's Catfish, and I'm back with another video, and I'm in Innis, Texas for the YouTuber call out. Came to the car wash to wash my car, gave the owner a compliment about his car wash, and guys, you ain't gonna believe this. He says, hey, I got an LS swap Mazda in my garage. Check this out, guys. This is crazy. Look at this. This is crazy. This is nuts. That's the owner of the car wash right there. You got an LS swap. Oh, look at this, guy. Hello. See? Never know where you go, who you gonna talk to. This is crazy. That's nice. Look at that. See that? And it sounds good too. Listen to that. See, I came to the car wash, and the owner pulls up, and I gave him a compliment on his car wash, and look what he let me check out. See that? See that? That's crazy. See, you never know who you gonna meet or who you gonna talk to. Look at the interior, guy. Ooh, wee. The color is pretty, the interior is nice, but y'all heard it, I know it flies. Yeah, okay, tell them a little bit about it real quick.
93 FD body style RX-7. I bought it out of Florida, already swapped. It's got an LS2, tick pollution cam, open exhaust, pretty aggressive tune. Just an absolute blast to drive.
Thanks for sharing, man. I appreciate it. Now I gotta see it. I'm gonna give you one more walk around. This is crazy, man. Came to the car wash and get y'all a gym like this. Look, nice wheels, everything. Y'all heard it. It sounds nasty. You got the front splitter on it. Look at this. Look at this thing. Woo-wee. Yeah, guys. Sunroof 2. 6-speed manual. Y'all heard it. All right. Y'all see old girl over here. See old girl over here. I got to get on the block. Car wash is right down the street from the hotel we staying at. So, yeah. So I had to come and wash the car. So, yep. So there it is right there. I got to do the wheels yet, and then I'll be done. But yeah, man, I just stopped at the car wash, talked to the owner, gave him a compliment on his car wash, and look what y'all got out of that. That's crazy, man. LS swap RX-7. Yep. Yeah, that will go, girl. Y'all see the tinted windshield. Yep, I gotta finish cleaning it up, man. But see, got a treat today, guys. Got a real treat. That's crazy. Yep. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you where we at. We're in Innis, Texas, right down the street from the hotel we staying at. I'll give you the name of the car wash. If you're ever in Innis, Texas, man, come here and wash your car. This is the name of it right here. The Lion's Den. Check it out. The Lion's Den car wash in Innis, Texas. Yep. So yeah, man, I just a little tidbit. Always say, oh, the camera's always rolling when you're a YouTuber, guys. I'm telling you. You ask a question and you get a gem. And you get a gem behind it. Yep. All right, guys. I got to finish cleaning my car up. So, we got an event today. All right. And just like that, this video is over.